are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Females made you just to trick me, trick me, trick me, trick me. 'Cause baby girl, you are so easily pretty. The only reason that I can do tonight is 'cause I'm...
Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie Jules World. Today we're gonna make a quick and easy project. We're gonna make ourselves a mini pouch, and here it is. You can hang these on your purse, your handbag. You can just carry it around with you. I have my hand sanitizer in here and keys as well, but you can put other things inside of here. Maybe this one here as well. It's the same version, it's just have a different hook. You can detach this and hang it on your handbag or your purse outside bag. And inside of here, this one I have my chapstick, my earbud, and this is why I've made this specifically for my earbud, because I like to carry this around. But you can put random things in there, whatever you desire to put inside of it, but they're so cute. All right, so today we're going to be making this one here. So let's go ahead and put those aside. So we're going to get to two outer fabric. Those two are going to need interfacing on there. So I already ironed it on. You're going to cut it down where it's 1 centimeters all the way around. We are going to put that aside, and this is our closure, basically closure top part. We'll be curving these corners to get something round. Curve those corners, and it just looks like that. We get our other lining, and then we're going to be putting these two right side together and this in place. All right, let's just put that aside for now. And we're going to get our other piece of fabric. We are going to be going to the iron, and we're going to be folding this in half, then fold it again. Do the same thing for the other side, half, and then you fold it down, and then you have that. Go to the machine, bottom, going around, across, and coming back down, and then we're going to sew one corner and then other corner. Now it'll be sewn all the way around. So let's go ahead and cut this. Some of that other bottom piece off as well. It's not necessary to have it. Let's go ahead and flip this. That to the iron and iron that out. Let's go ahead and get our other fabric, and we are going to be folding this in half. Find the center. Find the center of this as well. We'll take this and then fold this in half. We are going to be centering in this right on that place that we mark. We're going to center it, and then we're going to do the same thing for this side, and we're going to lay it down in the center. So from here straight over here and stop right there. You should now have your closure attached to that. So let's go ahead and get our lining. Taking that, and we're going to be placing it right side together. At the end here, we're going to leave a 5 centimeter gap right here. And we're going to sew down here. And then we're going to sew from here and stop at that mark. And then over here. And then stop at that mark. And have a gap right there. Okay, you should now have this corner sewn, and then these two as well in the gap left open. So next step we're going to do is just fold this in half, bring it together, connect these two like that. Line up inside of there and pin that in place. Do the same thing for the other side as well. And you're going to go to your machine and you're going to sew all the way down, and then the other side as well all the way down. All right, you're gonna be that little gap that we had. We're gonna put our hands through that and fold these corners because we're gonna be marking it. And you're gonna mark it at 1.5 centimeters down. And then you're gonna do that for all 4 corners. 1, 2, side and that side. So once you finish marking that spot, you're gonna go to the machine and you're gonna sew right there, there, and right there. Once you finish sewing the corners, cut these pieces off. And you're gonna turn it inside out. Let's turn this inside out like this. We are going to be sewing all the way around this, and we're going to lock that gap in there. The next step is to squeeze this. We're going to be marking these 2 sections here. We're going to mark 1 centimeters in and 2 centimeters down. We're going to be sewing right there, so the top here all the way down and stop right there at that 2 centimeters. And you're going to do the same thing for the other side as well. So you're going to sew those 2, so this section right here and that section right there. Both of the corners are sewn right here. So let's go ahead and turn this inside out. So let's go ahead and get our buttons in there. And we're going to fold the top, center it. And then from the top, we're gonna drop down 2 centimeters. And then we're gonna put our buttons in there. We fold it over all the way through and leave a mark on the other side. And our mark is right there, and that's where I'm gonna put my buttons. Center your buttons, and then we're finished. You should now have your button in place. And then you can put your key ring on there. Love it. That's it for our tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and you will definitely see me in my next video. My YouTubers.